Hi everyone, it's Christina and welcome to Make a Card Monday. Today we're going to be playing with these cute little seagulls. I had fun coloring these guys. So I have this set. It also came with the dies, which I'm very happy about. I'm not a fussy cutter, and fussy cutting is when you cut it all out by hand. I don't enjoy that at all. So I'm always happy when I have the dies to cut them out. So trying to decide which ones I wanted to use on this card, and I'm going to pick three. I kind of like the ones with the can over his head to go with the saying that I picked, the sentiment that I picked on this card. If you hear squeaking, it's my dogs. They're playing with toys. So I do use the Hero Arts ink. It works really well with the Gamsol, so your color doesn't bleed. And I'm using my little Misty here for the stamping today. So I didn't have a lot of big stuff to do. So I picked the one with the can over his head, the one with him next to the can, and then one that kind of looks like he's like, ah! So I thought those three kind of went together. And I am using my beautiful little pressure tool here that I got on Etsy. That link is below for that. So I'm going to stamp these more than once though, because I want the lines. I don't want them super dark, but I want them dark enough where I can see, since I'll be using a gray pencil with these. Very simple color palette on this. I think I used 7 or 8 colors and that was it. So on the sentiment, for the front of the card, I will stamp that out here and I will cut it out with one of my banner dies. But I'm also going to stamp a sentiment on the inside of the card. I don't know where you guys are at, but man, it has been so hot here. Sitting down and making cards has been such a pleasure. I worked on my dog's gate out front yesterday. My hair was soaked, and I was only out there for maybe 15 minutes. It was just dripping right off of me. But I bought a gate wheel, so I wanted to get that on the gate for the dogs. So I'm sitting here trying to decide what I wanted to stamp. I got lost. I was staring at the stamp, and I'm like, where is the one that I wanted? There we go. So I have those two picked out, and then I will do the other one on the inside of the card. That way I don't have to leave it blank on the inside. And thank you to those who've been purchasing my cards. I appreciate it. It's my little piece of artwork, kind of, that I'm sharing with you, that you can share with your friend, or you can keep it for yourself. So this little thing says there's no one quite like you, and that's why I picked the seagull with the can over his head. We all have that one friend, you know. I might be that friend to you. So right now I'm getting a piece of cardstock. I should have sped this up a little bit. But I do speed it up during the coloring, and we will be listening to music again. And I think this says you're a true friend. I already have the card put away. It's already been photographed. I'll be listing this. This will be listed on Etsy by the time this video comes up, so it'll be available for purchase. I try to wait and list them on the Friday or Saturday before the video goes up because I don't want to sell it and say, well, it was there. Yeah, you're a true friend. It's a cutie. All right, guys, let's color. Okay, so that was fun. So now I'm going to build my background. I found this coal dye that I had in my stash. It has different sizes. I picked the biggest one. I was hoping it would be a little bit bigger, but it's fine for the size that I need it for. And I'm running it through my Empress It's my electric die cutter. And it's just an alcohol pattern paper. This is not something that I did myself. I do plan on making some of these, but I have not done that yet. So I really like the way that looks with the seagulls, the background color. I had cut a piece of blue cardstock. I was going to kind of do this 3-panel thing, and I'm like, it's just too blue. So I thought, wow, alcohol ink background would look pretty cool with these. So I did find some blue and green. I had to change the top out of my glue bottle because it was completely plugged up. So that's why I took a little snap there. Get my paperweights on these so that the glue can set. I hear my pups whining. So I bought them, it's called the Virtually Indestructible Ball. They play soccer with it. From the minute they go outside till the minute they come in, I have to not send it out every time they go outside because then they don't go potty. So they want to play ball. So Winston and Riley, oh my goodness, if you go to my Christina Welch art page on Facebook, you can see the video. They are crazy with that ball. It's hilarious. They're just so funny. So I get my sentiment on this here. I used my banner die for this. It came out cute. We'll get this all glued down and get it put together, and that will be the end of our card. Pretty simple. I am enjoying coloring these little characters, these little critters and stuff. I have so many, so many, and I have tons of Christmas ones, so I can't wait to play with those. And I am going to be starting my Christmas cards here this month, so be watching for those. I would love to do like 10 in a set, so if you wanted to send out 10 cards to friends, I'm going to work on that, I promise. I just have to get everything laid out to see if I can like mass produce one certain card and make, more than one set. I'd like to put a few different ones in each set. But if you'd want them all the same, I could do that too. So be watching for that. Be watching for Christmas videos coming up here pretty soon. I'll probably be doing more than one video a week when I do those. Because there will be so many different cards and there's not enough weeks for me to save them for every Monday. So they'll probably be posted more towards the end of the year. But who knows, we may make a card every day for weeks. We shall see. So I'm just getting my foam backing on these because everything's going to be popped up. There was one of these seagulls that I did not foam the bottom of his feet. I don't know why I forgot that. Might be a reason why I didn't do that. Oh, maybe because I couldn't get my foam thin enough, and if I went any thinner it wouldn't stick, so that might be why. I really enjoyed making this card. Can you tell? So I'm working on another card for next week already. It's super cute. But I don't want all my cards to be critters and super cute stuff because I do like the beauty of florals and I do want to do some dimensional work too, and some fun folds and mix it up. This one is my favorite, the one with the can on his head. That one person in your life, you know that person. I did put this at an angle because there's no one quite like you, you know, kind of make it cocky. I'll stamp the back with my Made by Christina stamp. And there we have it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you next week. Be ready for lots of videos coming. But thanks for watching. Bye now.